Ay, ba't gano'n? Wala kayong research? Sige. Group 2 please. Group 2, malapit ng ano. Diba? Patunayan nyo naman sa akin na, diba, may natutunan tayo dun sa halos isang taon nating pagsasama. Lagi na lang ganito. Okay. Maliwanag, Jana.
Opo, sir.
At ikaw lang nandito kasi mga kagrupo mo.
Andito po sila, sir. Naka-join po si...
Baka ba't hindi nagsasalita? Ba't ikaw
Sir,
lang
naka-join po. Tinitake note ko po yung mga babaguhin.
Oo. Hindi na tayo natuto. Lapit na ng ano. Huwag kayo magpasa ng G-Drive muna. Pag pinasa ko to, huwag muna kayo magpasa. Check ko muna ulit yan. Group 1 lang muna pwede magpasa. Group 2 wag. Ang galing niyo yung inyo. Baka makita nila yan. Sabihin, hindi ko man lang chinek. Group 3 ano dito? Itong June 6, yung pinaka-latest.
Yes po, sir.
Ayun o, ganito RV. Tingnan mo yung kanila. Naka-thematic. Yan. Naka-team o. Yun o, thematic siya. May team dito. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. Ayan. Diba? May synthesis pa sila. Ano, Pearl, hindi nyo man lang to in-explain. Sabi ko, explain nyo to eh. Kung anong gagawin, halimbawa sustainable tourism awareness, ano yung mga gagawin doon. Community tour guide. Yung binigay ko, yun lang din yung nilagay nyo.
Baguhin na lang po namin ngayon, sir.
Ha?
Baguhin na lang po namin ngayon.
Aloka kayo ha.
Sorry, sir.
Hindi nyo man lang dinagdagan. Oh my God. Ang gagawin ko dyan, yung action plan pa. Pero sana, nakita ko kayo ng effort, nalagyan to. Seriously? Ay, nakakaloka.
Sorry sir, gagawa na po.
Diba? Ano to? Lahat na lang ako gagawa. Ay. Wait nga lang, na-stress ako sandali Hinga lang ako kasi ayoko magalit eh. Dahil, hindi hindi nakakaganda ng mood. Wait lang. Hinga lang ako.
Also invited Prince's Trust beneficiaries from the past.
We look at part of this. We look like we just felt a dead news window. If it was still in business.
People who were helped by the charity nearly 40 years ago.
I left school in 78. Didn't do all we wanted in school, but I'm motivated to do well. It was a very difficult place to get employment in Liverpool at the time. most of the big employers have kind of left. So we start to see our fathers losing their jobs as well. There was no sense that you were going to get a job, so why bother looking? They were very dull times, I suppose. The only news that was coming out of Liverpool in 1980 was that Your Majesty, Mr. Barry Wellington. Oh, yes, it's it. Hello, sir. How are you doing? Yes, yes. Nice. Don't do that, don't bear. Make it closer. Right. So, why did 38 years? He gave us £2,000 in 1986, and it lasted 38 years. So we created quite a substantial business up there. All down to you. There's a friend of mine said, why didn't you speak to the Prince's Trust? I didn't realise that it was the Prince of Wales who was behind it. You start asking the questions, what are you going to do? Impress people. Sell yourself to me. Something being there at that moment ignited something. And they said, we'll give you £1,000. Now, you either take it or not, and go let go of it. When you take it and go, this is really
Oh, ito kay nag-brown to. Kung ngayon ko ka-withdraw, may gani kay napisilyo. Thank you, Lord. Kaya gihapon kong alpin kanina na save akong
Since it began, Razor
Saan gis na?
has employed more than 250 people.
ha? Luwid.
you stayed in touch with.
Huwag ko palitog ko.
We built a business that lasted 30 years. He made it possible. Thanks to you. Thanks, it's lovely to see you. The transformation now, what you're seeing now, to what it was when you gave it
Welcome
5
ka.
years ago, unbelievable. It's
Siyempre, script record.
It's brilliant. You played the cards well done. What? In everything? Right. Oh, well, smoke with the guy. But, so it's, if I ever envied anything, that's something with the palaces and the wealth and the stuff like that. I like if she's gonna make me make it. Hang on a minute, I have to million kids here to actually come out from underprivileged area. I changed a huge amount with large house. That's my claim to fame. Yeah.
The winners, if you let your hard work will be brighter. Coming out of your cheek muscles and putting towards the camera over here. And we are done. Thank you very much.
Japan's imperial family. It is the world's oldest hereditary monarchy, and it's no secret. For centuries, their subjects could only imagine their regal lifestyle, a lifestyle hidden by the towering walls of their imperial palaces. But over the last 100 years, this shield of secrecy has slowly begun to erode. And perhaps just in time comes a new breed of royal.
Hello, Perlene. Ayusin na to ah.
An American educated woman
Yes po, sir.
Yung mock defense ko sa inyo will be focusing on your project. Bakit ganyan ang project nyo? Bakit naging tourism transportation capacity building? Bakit ganito yung expected output nyo? Okay, yan ang mga tanong ko sa inyo. Ito yung tangible result. Ano mga gagawin nyo sa community needs assessment, tourism mobility development, paano kayo gagawa ng tourism map, paano kayo ganyan, ha? Bakit ganito? Ang tanong ko, bakit ganito? Bakit naging ganito? Based doon sa findings nyo. Ito yung mga findings nyo, ha? Pakibasa, pakiintindi. Ayan. Okay, pakiintindi yan. Kasi natatanawin sa inyo na defense. So, let's go to your IPT.
While many royal families, such as those in Great Britain and America, live their lives under the constant scrutiny of the relentless paparazzi, the imperial family of Japan keeps a distance from the press.
Ang galing na to research variable.
In fact, the faces of Japan's forsaken throne are
Ang galing tong theoretical framework.
There's Emperor Akihito with his wife Mishima and their 3 children,
Ang galing na tong goals.
and Crown Prince Naruhito. But the real star of this imperial drama is Prince Naruhito's wife, Misako.
Siguro kahit isa lang dito,
And the star
sa nilagay nyo dito sa literature review, kahit isang ano lang, important related study. Pero dun sa papel nyo, as is, pero dito, isa lang. Feeling nyo siya yung pinaka-importante sa research nyo. Okay.
and the experts of the Japanese royal.
Okay, dito medyo mahaba, syempre. Habawa, team 1. Tapos ano yung mga sub-team doon? Another slide for team 2. Ano yung mga... Hindi naman to yun eh. Ito ba yung mga nakalagay doon? Ilagay nyo to. Wait lang. Ito ilalagay nyo. Kung ano yung nakalagay dito sa papel? Syempre. Ito, current status. Then team 1, ayan. Verbatim, team 2, ganyan. Then explain. Gano'n na. Team 3. Team 4, explain. Team 5, explain. Okay. Ganito. Then team, next, extent of ganyan-ganyan. Team 1, team 2.
But the gardens are perhaps its most striking characteristic.
Dami naman. Then key sustainable indicator. Team 1, Team 2, another slide. Ganun.
People from all over Japan come here.
Then conclusion, another slide. Then recommendation, another slide. Then itong extension kineming nyo. Ito ilalagay nyo, pero doon sa explanation, huwag nyo na ilagay. Ito na lang. Okay.
Okay po, sir.
Again ha, again. Ulit ha. Wait. Slide. Isang slide, current status. Then team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4, team 5. Another slide. Transportation infrastructure challenges. Ay, hindi. Wala na pala. Ito, another slide. Team 1. Team 2. Bakit may ganito? Perlin, ba't may ganito pa? Ganito pa. Ba't may mga ganito? Part ba to ng team? Na sinabi ko sa inyo, na binigay ko? Ano to?
Yes po.
Eh, ba't walang team na number na nakalagay? Walang team na nakalagay. Hello? Ba't walang team? Hello? Hello? Ay. Tapos nag-ano ulit kayo ng isang pang study. Ano to?
Kitaan kayo na
Saan ba to sa ano?
Nalabay naman akong basura gahapon. Madala na ako.
Saan ba to sa statement of the public? Statement of the public. Mobility. Oh, wala naman challenges dun ah. Indicator, integrated. Ba't may ganun dun, Perlin? Ano to? Ba't may ganito? Transportation affected. Transportation infrastructure system challenges. Hello? Ba't may ganun?
For the first time in his life,
Anyone from Group 3? Ano yun?
but his relationship with one economy in particular would change the course of Japan's
Ay, walang sasagot. O, sige. Okay, maglagay muna ha. Ako hindi ko sinasagot yung tanong.
businessman.
Group 2, Group 3, walang maglalagay. Burahin nyo lahat yan. Hindi ko papasa yan ng ganyan. Hindi nyo ako masagot. Paano pag depends pala, pag tinanong sa inyo, ano yun? Para saan yun? Kasama ba siya sa statement of the plan? Di nga kayo, hindi nyo masagot.
Baguhin po namin ulit, sir.
Baguhin, hindi tinatanong ko nga ba't may ganoon? Anong babaguhin? Bakit may ganoon?
Reviewin po namin ulit, sir. Kung saan po galing yun.
Para pag ganyan pala ang defense, nga kayo hindi nyo masagot yun.
Reviewin po namin ulit, sir.
Okay, maglagay Tanggalin yan. Group 2, tanggalin na yung ano nyo. Okay, mag-defense. Hello. O hindi po, group 4 na sila mga group 4. Group 4.
Sir, good afternoon.
Sabi si chapter 1 ng abstract, hindi po kasama yan.
Sige po, tatanggalin po na.
So, dito yan ilalagay. Kung mamaya sabihin, hindi ko na chinik to.